Hello, this is Lynn Michaud, and here's a little bit of information about Accounting 1. First, a little bit about myself. I've been teaching for 34 years. I absolutely love it. I'm certified to teach both business and technology. I have a Master's of Science in Business, a Bachelor's in Education, and 2 associate's degrees. I teach a lot of career planning and financial literacy, but also have taught Introduction to Programming, Exploring Computer Science, Personal Finance, of course this course, Accounting, Web Design, and Business Law. What is Accounting 1? It's a half-year course designed to give students an overview of the accounting cycle. Students will learn how to journalize transactions, post to a general ledger, and create financial statements. Banking concepts will also be examined. Students will be introduced to spreadsheet software and discuss current issues in the world of finance. In terms of assessments, I follow York High School's policy. 80% is summative assessments and 20% is formative. So summatives will include things like tests and projects. And then formative will be things like quizzes and vocab assignments and graphic organizers and things of that nature. In terms of the policy, again, we go 80-20, 80 summative, 20 formative. If a student performs below an 80% on a summative, they may reassess once up to a maximum score of an 80. They must initiate a plan with me, though, within 2 school days after the test, and then they may be required to participate in some remedial activity to kind of fill in the gaps in their knowledge and skills, and then they must retest within 2 weeks. Requirements in class: no food in the classroom. Masks are required at all times. Students are encouraged to stay at least 3 feet away from me and others. I have assigned seats so that every other seat is empty. No cell phones unless we do things like Kahoot, which we do from time to time. And they should have some way to organize their material. A calculator, they can use their cell phones for the calculator, a pen, a pencil. Very important, they should have their own computer all charged up and ready to go. Grit is very important. They should try to stick to it and persevere. Positive participation. They should stay organized and on task. Learn to think and problem solve, and then don't hesitate at all to ask me any questions at any time. I'm here to help. And so that's really the basis of the class. I can show you, we use Google Sheets to create some financial statements. So this here is an example of a balance sheet, and they use formulas so that if something changes, the totals will automatically change. So we have assets, liabilities, and then the capital and net worth determined here. So let's say cash in bank increases to 10,000. Then all of the other numbers are automatically going to change. So we do things like that. There's a revenue and expenses spreadsheet, also a chart like this, so that they have enough information to make informed decisions about a business. So hopefully this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.